Today we're diving into the world of healthy dog snacks that your furry friend will absolutely love. First up, carrot sticks. Crunchy, sweet, and full of vitamins. A perfect low-calorie snack for dogs. Your furry friend will love the crunch, and you'll love the health benefits. Carrots are great for their teeth, and can even help improve their eyesight thanks to the beta-carotene. They're also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep your dog feeling full longer. Next, apple slices. Apples are packed with fiber and vitamins A and C. Just be sure to remove the seeds and core. They're not safe for dogs. Apples can help clean your dog's teeth and freshen their breath while providing a tasty and healthy snack. Watch how these slices disappear in seconds. Apples are also known to help with joint health, making them a great choice for older dogs. Next, pears are a sweet and juicy treat that's safe for dogs. They're high in fiber and vitamins A and C. Just make sure to remove the seeds and core before serving. Pears can help boost your dog's immune system and keep their digestive tract healthy. Next, homemade peanut butter biscuits. Simple to make, and dogs go crazy for them. Just mix whole wheat flour, oats, and natural peanut butter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 20 minutes, and voila, a healthy homemade treat. Make sure to use peanut butter that doesn't contain xylitol, which is toxic to dogs. These biscuits are high in protein and healthy fats, supporting your dog's energy levels and skin health. Blueberries are another fantastic option. These little berries are antioxidants powerhouses. Antioxidants help to fight free radicals, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, they're easy to serve and perfect for a quick, nutritious treat. Blueberries can even improve your dog's brain health. They're also known to support urinary tract health and can reduce the risk of infections. Don't forget about green beans. They're low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, K, and manganese. Green beans are a great snack for dogs that need to watch their weight. Serve them raw or steamed, and your dog will enjoy a crunchy, satisfying snack. They're also high in fiber, which promotes a healthy digestive system. Green beans can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them a great option for diabetic dogs. Sweet potatoes are another excellent treat. Rich in dietary fiber, vitamins B6, C, and beta-carotene, sweet potatoes can support your dog's digestive health and immune system. Just cook them thoroughly and serve in small pieces. They're also great for maintaining healthy eyes, muscles, and nerves, thanks to their high potassium content. Sweet potatoes can also help to soothe an upset stomach and provide a slow release of energy, keeping your dog active throughout the day. Bananas are a wonderful treat too. They are packed with vitamins like B6, C, and potassium. Bananas can help support heart health, aid digestion, and keep your dog's skin and coat healthy. Serve them in small pieces to avoid any risk of overfeeding. Bananas also contain magnesium, which promotes bone growth and helps the body produce protein and absorb vitamins. Cooked chicken breast is another fantastic treat, especially for active dogs. It's a lean protein that helps build strong muscles and provides energy. Make sure it's plain with no seasoning, bones, or skin. Chicken is also a good source of essential amino acids and glucosamine, which can promote healthy bones. Pumpkin is another superfood for dogs. It's excellent for their digestive health and can be added to their meals or served as a treat. Make sure to use plain canned pumpkin without any added sugars or spices. Remember, while these snacks are healthy, they should be given in moderation. Always consult with your vet before introducing new foods to your dog's diet. That's it for today's video on healthy dog snacks. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on keeping your furry friend happy and healthy.